Today, we are taking a look at 3 cases from Nillkin. First up, my favorite, the Iceblade Prop Magnetic. Let me just say, this case looks even better in person. The green variant really pops, and it's one of those cases that instantly makes your fold feel more premium. It comes in 2 colors, black and green. I'm using the deep green mountain and sea inspired version. It looks and feels upscale, especially compared to the typical all black options. The packaging is pretty minimal. You'll find a case, cleaning wipes, some extra adhesive strips, and a bit of info on Nillkin's green initiative. No fluff, just what you need. My first impression, it's slim, lightweight, and yes, it's magnetic. That means it works with MagSafe accessories like car mounts, stands, and wireless chargers without needing any extra attachments. Now with that out of the way, let's go ahead and take the tour. This is a 2-part case for the Z Fold 6, starting with the front cover. Up top, you've got cutouts for the mic and speaker. On the right side, there's a nice embossed tagline. Nillkin isn't just a name, it's a signal of style and thoughtful design. And along the bottom, we have the speaker, USB, and microphone cutouts to round things off. Now for the back cover. The camera cutout is clean, and there's a hidden bonus here, a built-in lens protector, and a pop-out kickstand. At the center, the MagSafe ring is ready for accessories, surrounded by a textured surface that adds grip without being too flashy. The power button cutout is wide and comfortable, even if you have big hands like I do. On the right side, you'll see Nillkin's branding again, followed by textured volume buttons with a nice tactile feel. The left side is open to show off that Samsung hinge, and up top, more precise mic and speaker cutouts. Just a note, I didn't stick this one down because I've got more cases to show, but once I'm done filming, this one's staying on. In terms of build quality, I'm impressed. It doesn't interfere with folding, unfolding, or everyday use, and it just looks great. So yeah, I'm doubling down. This one's my favorite. Shout out to Nillkin for sending this out. Links are down below if you want to check it out. Next up is the Flex Pure Fold case, a minimal option with a focus on comfort and simplicity. If you're someone who likes the feel of your phone without a case, this might be your ideal middle ground. It's a soft matte black case with a lightweight and flexible build. No frills, no bold accents, just clean lines and a smooth profile that blends into the fold's design. Packaging, simple and straightforward. You get the case, don't forget the pen, and 2 extra adhesive strips. Nothing unnecessary, just the essential. My first impression, it's ultra thin and fits like a second skin. The matte finish feels great in hand and resists fingerprints, which is always a win. This case also comes in 2 parts. Up top, there are precision cutouts for the mic and speaker. On the side, it's smooth and clean. No logos, just minimal design. The bottom has speaker cutouts that line up nicely. On the back, the camera cutout is sharp and slightly raised to protect your lenses. There's no built-in lens protector, but the design still gives you peace of mind. The right side features slim volume button covers with a bit of grip. The power button cutout is wide and easy to access, great for all hand sizes. Down below, we've got clean cutouts for the USB-C port, mic, and speaker, and the left side stays open for the hinge. I'm not big on using a stylus with this phone, but it's here if you need it. So let's wrap this up. This is the kind of case you forget is even there in the best way. No bulk, no distractions, just enough protection to ease your mind. If you want a low profile daily driver, this one's easy to recommend. I've got the link down below, so go and check it out. Last up, but definitely not least, this one's for the power users. The Super Frosted Shield Fold Magnetic gives you more grip, more protection, and still keeps things functional. My first impression, the texture on this case is excellent. Grippy without being rough. It has a magnetic ring built in, comes with a screen protector, and even covers the hinge. This case has all the main features you need to keep your Z Fold 6 protected. So let's just get to the tour. Okay, so there you have it. This is the full lineup from Nillkin today for the Z Fold 6, from sleek and minimal to rugged and ready for anything. Clean, functional, and worth a look. I'm sticking with the Iceblade, but which one's your pick? Links are below, and thanks for watching. I'll talk to you in the next one.